Alright, hey everyone. It's been a while. I haven't made a YouTube video in probably a couple months now, and that's for a variety of reasons. I've had a lot of other things going on in my life, and I'm still trying to figure out how to get this channel going and what it's exactly going to look like, what it's going to be. But I thought today I'd make a video because I'm headed out to do a little bit of drone work, and sort of ironically enough, I've been asked to photograph future wilderness areas for a local publication using a drone, and the bit of a challenge with that is that both legally and ethically you can't fly a drone in a wilderness area, and ethically for me, I'm not interested in even flying a drone over a wilderness area. A lot of the sites that are potential future wilderness areas, if we get into the nitty-gritty of the state land classification, are also primitive areas, which the same rules apply and the same principles for myself apply. So today I'm headed up near the Cary Falls Reservoir to photograph the Racket Jordan Boreal Primitive Area. I'm going to do a little bit of ground photography. I'm going to try and get some aerial shots, but all these aerial shots are going to be sort of a couple miles away from the primitive area itself, so we're looking to get sort of downward landscape aerial shots of where the future wilderness area could be. That would be the Boreal Wilderness. As well as maybe some stuff on the ground in that area as well. Okay, so I just tried to approach the Jordan River and this primitive area from the east on some sort of backwoods roads, and as I expected, I wasn't able to get as close as I wanted to the Jordan River. I got blocked by a private gate. I think I could actually get through that gate, I'm not sure. The Nature Conservancy owns a preserve back here that you can get a permit to pretty easily and get access to some of this area, and I just haven't had the time to do that, so I might be able to come back if I have time and see if I can get just a little bit closer to the Jordan River area. But I did fly and get some nice drone shots. The trees are covered in snow right now, so it's just absolutely beautiful, and just, you know, those straight down shots looking at the forest from above with the snow-covered trees and conifers are just, it's pretty incredible right now. So I'm driving back down this road, and I'm gonna head over to the Cary Falls Reservoir, and there's a boat launch over there that I'm hoping is going to be plowed so that I can get down next to the reservoir, and then the future wilderness and the current primitive area is sort of just on the other side of the reservoir. So I should be able to fly across the reservoir and get some nice images looking sort of part of the reservoir and then into that primitive area in the future wilderness area. So it's a bit of a drive around. I got to backtrack down these dirt roads, which are plowed nicely, but they're a little rough, and then sort of circle around to the Cary Falls Reservoir. So that's what we're doing now. Okay, so I made it to the other side of the Cary Falls Reservoir, and this is the road behind me that I was hoping to be able to drive down to a boat launch so that I could fly from that location. Clearly it's not plowed, and while my truck might make it through that, I really don't feel like getting stranded out here. There's no cell phone service or anything. So first order of business, I'm going to try and fly from this location because I'm only a few hundred yards from the reservoir. The sort of road parallels it for a little bit before turning down. So I might be able to get the shots that I'm looking for really just from this spot right here. And if necessary, I'll do the half-mile walk down the road. It's not that big of a deal for me. But, you know, I really wasn't prepared to haul the drone and all that equipment all that very far. So we'll give it a shot from here and we'll see what happens. Alright, I'm going to keep flying for a few more minutes, but I think I got the best shots that I could get given the circumstances. If any of these end up anywhere, I'll be sure to let you know in the comments down below when that happens. Thanks for following along, and as always, if you like this video, please hit that like button down below, and if you'd like to see more videos like this in the future, please subscribe. I'll catch you next time.